This is Sally Hansen Airbrush legs, and what it is a spray-on makeup for your legs. I'm 54. I've been out in the sun and my legs have some sun damage to them, and some days I just don't want to show that off. So I use this. What is it? It's a spray-on leg makeup. It's water resistant, transfer proof, and it's built to give that smooth, even look to your legs in just seconds. What makes this different than anything else? Like self-tanners require prep, timing, and can go patchy. I'm sure we've all been through that. This goes on easily and washes off with soap, and it doesn't require that waiting time to develop. Who is this for? It's for anybody who wants to have flawless looking legs. If you're going to an event or have a photo or just need a confidence boost. And this is much better than self-tanner to me. I'm horrible with self-tanner. I love that it's water resistant, transfer proof, and it won't rub off on clothes or furniture. And I love that it comes off super easy just with soap and water. A few things people ask: how long does it take to dry? Just a couple of minutes. It doesn't take long at all. It's quick drying, so you're not standing around waiting for it to dry. Another question was, will it stain my clothes? As long as you wait that couple minutes, make sure it's dry, you're good to go. Another one was, does it make your legs look natural, or can you tell that it's a sprayed on makeup? I've been using it for years. It's designed to look natural. And I've never had anybody come up to me and say, are you wearing makeup on your legs? As long as you're spraying it on and smoothing it out, just like self-tanner, make sure you get every spot on your leg. So all you do is shake it up really good. Spray it on, I just spray it right on my legs. Some people spray it on their hands and put it on, but I like spraying it right on my legs and blending it in. There's really no waiting time, just a couple minutes. Water resistant, washes off easily, no long-term commitment, no patchiness, just like you do when you use self-tanners. Overall, I really like this, obviously, and I think you'll like it too.